Good day, everyone. As you saw, we're making our way down here to the other end of the building. That is one thing that I'm going to say. I've been to a few dealers lately, as you probably know by following me, and these guys got lots of room to be able to get things done. But I wanted to give you a super cool tour of coach 6873. So this is going to be 100 units after that bunk bed coach that I probably got posted up by now. If you haven't seen it, check it out. It's a cool country coach Affinity that was built as a bunk bed. But this coach, super cool. I was the guy to deliver it to a guy named Glenn that bought it brand new. He kept it down at the Motor Coach Country Club. I want to say the second owner kept it at Outdoor Resorts just across the street. And now I think we're only the third owner option going on in this bad boy, and it is available for sale. Super clean coach. Talking about a 2008 Country Coach Affinity. Talking $245 is the price tag on it. 55,000 miles. Okay, 600 horse Cummins. Super clean unit. It's got great colors, as you can see here. Beautiful, stunning unit. But let's get you all a tour of this. Let me get these bay doors open and get you started here. So we got the bay doors open that matter. We're not going to give a huge, long tour, but I just looked up and saw this popping paint. I want to see here if I can get you guys. Yeah, so you can see that flake and the top of that brown, making a super cool looking paint job. Super fire on that. So we get started. Fuel fill here, access to the fuel tank, pass through bay number 1. Pass through bay number 2 with the power slide tray, and then pass through bay 3. Some bay entertainment out here. It's got a TV. It looks like a little Bose sound bar up there across the top. This is going to be house batteries, chassis batteries, engine hydraulic filter, more engine stuff. So nobody cares about that stuff. Some people, I'll take that back. Some people do care. But here's that 600 horse Cummins. Got mounted in the back end of this bad boy, plenty of power on it. It's gonna have, again, 15,000 pound rated hitch. It's gonna have a ladder, which some people say if it's a bus, it doesn't have a ladder, but hey, this one's got one. Kind of nice to be able to get up onto the roof there. Doesn't bother me a bit. Make our way down the driver's side here. Get this exterior kind of covered for you. Got your plumbing bay here. Got your flushes, sewer drains. Looks like we've even got a monitor out here, which if you watched any of my other videos, I really like having the monitor out here. It does not have LP on this coach. It's going to be all electric if I remember correctly. And then up here you've got all your switches, some water faucets, water filter access. Got that big 600 aqua hot unit there. As you can see, it's hanging out in Palm Springs, Indio area. Well, Howard's RV's gotten into that bad boy at one point. We'll come up here. You're gonna have those pass through, and pass through. And then the front run box here. It's gonna have your components in here for your chassis, your auxiliary compressor, so on and so forth. Got your switch for your drain slide. Now this generator is gonna be a 12.5K generator. So, beautiful coach. Let's get our way inside, give you all a tour. Let's just see this beautiful ceiling treatment and whatnot that's going on in here. All right, so we got all the lights on in here. Let's give you a tour. We'll start with these floors. All right, so there's the floors, nice tile floors, heated throughout, and then that beautiful ceiling treatment brought to you by one of the world's class motorhome manufacturers, Country Coach in its time. But let's get started here. We'll cover this front area real quick for you. Got the audio video cabinet. Looks like we've got a home theater and a box shoved in there, make it a little more easier operations. Awning controls, Up here, blind controls, got all power blinds, all that good stuff. Over here, got that wine guard traveler. Looks like it can maybe use a trim ring around that stuff. Clean that up. Got a newer Samsung TV here. You'll have storage here, and storage here. But let's get you all of you. We'll start over here on this galley slide room. So that's going to be on the passenger side. And as you can see, beautiful configuration. I like this nice cabinet here. I'm going to say a good subscriber or previous customer of mine, Rich, was the claim to fame on that one. He's the first guy that said, I want that in my country coach. So he ended up getting that in his Affinity. But let's go down the side of this. So you're going to have a jackknife couch here. It's going to pull up, pop out. It's not going to have the air mattress. Then you're going to have your galley area here. So as you can see, got all the drawers pulled out here. You got that cutting board on the top. Couple more nice deep drawers there. Now this very top one is double layer. It's really nice. Large cabinet storage down here on the very bottom under the sink. Got that Fitcher PKL dishwasher here. Got another storage drawer here. Some nice pull outs here in the end. Little cabinet there. Storage above the cooktop, and that looks like the place that they've made for the holders for the sink covers. You can get storage here, nice lined carpeted floors on all the cabinets. Got some decor sitting in the sink because we were just moving this around. Got the original build sheet here, 6873 2008 Affinity. It was brand new, asking price of $833 would have been the price on this coach. So beautiful. I love this backsplash tile. It's a good look with that two-tone, kind of that nice light stripe across there. And then we'll come over here. We've got some more storage you can use for the kitchen, of course. Is going to be your curio cabinet area with that nice shelf here. Outlet in the back, so you can maybe set your Keurig there. And then you've got that residential refrigerator. Looks like you've got a nice pull-out storage here. Or you could always get to it through this curio door, so that's pretty trick. Up here we're gonna have slide room controls, some more light controls. Oh, it looks like we've got a light switch here for the curio. Get that lit up, and then you've got that upper cabinet there. So over here on your driver's side slide room, nice computer desk in the forward end, dinette here, slide forward and aft, pull out on that dinette table, and then some nice cabinet storage across the top. Got that storage across the bottom. Now that very center will have a subwoofer in there, so there's a little less storage compared to that Intrigue model. But we got that computer desk area with a nice pull-out drawer here, little flank slide out here, and then that drawer down here. It looks like we've got all of our owners' users manuals in there. But let's cruise on back here. We'll get into the toilet room here after. Oh, I don't want to get too far. So this cabinet here is going to have all your 110 volts, some 12 volt fuses, and then some storage down here on the bottom. Look like we got some more pull-out trays here, nice and deep. So we can get you some stuff in those. And we've got this pocket door here. Full-length mirror, be able to get all glamored up, looking good in the night. And then this nice large shower enclosure. Now you've got a light you can turn on in there to be able to get a little extra light. Little foot pedestal there. Nice little bar to hang a towel on or something like that if you want. Okay, so that's going to cover your shower. Then you're going to have the toilet room. So in the toilet room we've got some cabinet area on the top. A little more cabinet area here midway. Looks like we've just got your standard flapper valve toilet. And then over here we've got some nice vanity lights at the top. Here we've got our serial number sheet. Talks about what floor plan it is, the Stag's Leap. And then it talks about also the different serial numbers for the units that are in the coach. Now this coach will have 65 gallons of gray, 65 gallons of black, and 100 gallons of fresh water that you can carry on it with that 15,000 pound hitch, 600 horse Cummins, 12.5 generator. Just a few details of the specs on this. Here your vanity area, nice and deep. Be able to get some stuff across the back there. Another nice mirrored cabinet. And then those nice carpeted lined shelves in there. Got these nice drawers here. All three of these going to be the same length. And then this is going to be access to just the plumbing and slide room hardware. So that gives you a full tour of the bathroom area. Now we've got, of course, another pocket door here that can be slid across. It's got full-length mirrors on it again, to be able to even have more mirror area to be able to get all shined up. In the back bedroom closet area here, got those cool doors with the cherry wood inserts on there, really nice look. Let's go over to this slide room here though really quick. Got a cabinet area there, deleted the safe, so some more extra storage back here in the back. Then you got some shelves. Oh, it looks like we put the safe down in the very bottom, but that could be pulled out. Depends on the owner if we'd like. Got the audio video equipment locations up here across the top, your aqua hot controls, and then those power blinds again, fully automated. Some storage just after the rear TV. And then nice drawers across the very bottom. You're gonna have a stacked washer dryer. Little bifold door on there. Really get that out of your way. So nice access there to those split washer dryers with the magnetic catches on the door. Now we're gonna have here in the closet, nice 60 inches worth of bar space. Looks like we got some shoe holders thrown in here. IntelliTech access, some more shoe holders. That ironing board, that goes where the cutting board comes out of. So that way you've got that. You're gonna get some nice clothes pressed up. Throw on some starch on there, get some nice crease lines. Got some storage across the top here, some storage on that side. 110 outlet here after the bed. Got another 110 forward of the bed. Some more storage here. Got your IntelliTech lighting controls here. Got some IntelliTech over there. Now this coach does have a nice ceiling fan in it. Some people asked about being able to add those to the coaches. And yes, we can actually add those in for you. That's going to be ran off a controller right here. This will be your solar monitor and then your Silverleaf house monitoring system and your slide room controls. So a very beautiful coach. If you do notice, there's a couple pieces of yellow tape in here. It's because we got a little bit of woodwork to do in the reconditioning department. It's nothing big. We just sand it down, throw a little stain on it, make it all beautiful, make it pop again. But hey, thanks. A big shout out to Premier RV Sales and Service here in Junction City, Oregon for letting me shoot you all this, coach. If you're interested in it, hit up Louie or hit me up. We can both get you helped out. I'll get you some questions answered if you're interested in it, or Louie can do the same for you also. But thanks again, everybody. My email address is going to be brianmoto773@gmail.com. You can always hit me up on my Instagram at brianmoto773. Ditch that Facebook world. So those are the two easiest ways to get a hold of me. When you start some conversation, get any questions you may have answered about this. We'll come in one more time with the real quick details. So we're talking about $245, so less than a third of the price this coach costs brand new. And then we're talking about 55,533 miles, somewhere right around there. So excellent deal. I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video we shot for you. Don't forget to hit that like button. Tell me what you think of these videos in the comments below, and maybe take a minute to take that time to subscribe. But everybody, till next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.